commands France's most powerful naval strike group in modern history.
2,000 French sailors man the rails of their new home.
High-speed turns demonstrate the carrier's surprising maneuverability.
Approche stable, mid-ball confirmé.
Attention, feu vert, lancé. Frédéric, maintenez le cap au 090.
Escorte, resserrez l'écran.
Stable, coupé. Oui, bravo, premier appontage réussi, félicitations à l'équipage. Bienvenue where we build France's next nuclear supercarrier, the Porte-Avions.
The Pang begins as a complete digital twin before any steel is cut.
Hydrodynamic simulation perfect the hull for maximum speed and stability.
La carte de pression confirme l'optimalisation de la coque à 27 nœuds.
The K-22 nuclear reactor design ensures 50 years of unlimited range.
Electromagnetic catapults will launch Rafales and future NGF fighters. Hydrodynamic simulations perfect the hull for maximum speed and stability. The K-22 nuclear reactor design ensures 50 years of unlimited range.
Electromagnetic catapults will launch Rafales and future NGF fighters.
Every meter of flight deck is optimized for maximum sortie generation.
Engineers walk through the carrier virtually before construction begins.
Combat systems architecture integrates sensors, weapons, and command networks.
French high-strength steel forms the foundation of the carrier's hull.
Specialized rail cars transport hull plates across France to the shipyard.
Every plate is ultrasonically tested to ensure zero defects.
CNC plasma cutters achieve millimeter precision on hull components.
Edge beveling prepares plates for high-strength structural welding.
1,000-ton presses bend hull plates into precise curved forms.
Heat treatment furnaces optimize steel hardness and stress relief.
Thousands of processed plates are staged for hull section assembly.
France's largest dry dock is prepared for keel laying ceremony.
The keel laying ceremony marks the birth of France's new flagship.
Double bottom sections are fabricated in parallel throughout the shipyard.
1,200-ton cranes lift hull sections into the building dock.
Laser systems ensure millimeter-perfect alignment between hull sections.
Le soudage à l'arc submergé assemble les sections de coque avec une pénétration maximale.
Rigorous testing certifies every weld for watertight integrity.
Watertight bulkheads divide the hull into survivable compartments.
Main transverse bulkheads create the carrier's structural backbone.
Deck beams and frames create the carrier's internal deck structure.
Armored magazines safely store the carrier's aviation ordnance.
The Pang's hull structure rises on France's Normandy coast.
Reactor pressure vessels are forged from single massive steel ingots.
Les tolérances sont parfaites, conformes aux exigences de la Marine nationale.
Precision machining achieves micron-level reactor component tolerances.
Steam generators transfer nuclear heat into propulsion power.
Primary coolant pumps circulate reactor heat to steam generators.
Control rods regulate nuclear fission for precise power control.
Le module du réacteur nucléaire est installé dans son compartiment blindé. Complete reactor modules are assembled for shipyard installation.
Jet blast deflectors withstand afterburner temperatures exceeding 1500 degrees.
3 electromagnetic catapult troughs span the flight deck.
Steam turbines are positioned on precision-aligned foundations. Massive bronze propellers are cast for silent, high-speed propulsion.
100-meter propeller shafts are aligned through stern bearings.
Five-blade propellers are installed on precision-machined shafts.
Primary steam piping connects reactors to propulsion turbines.
Propulsion system integration testing verifies 200,000 horsepower.
Flight deck plating is engineered for extreme aircraft loading.
Advanced arresting gear absorbs the energy of landing aircraft.
Arresting cables stretch across the landing area of the deck.
300 meters of flight deck plating are joined together.
Elevator trunks connect the hangar and flight decks. Non-skid coating provides grip for aircraft and crew safety.
Hydraulic rams provide 35-ton lifting power.
Elevator machinery spaces house complex hydraulic power systems.
Guide rails are aligned to millimeter precision for smooth travel.
Elevator platforms are lowered into their operating positions.
C'est calibré.
Oui, c'est bon, on lance le test.
Control systems enable precise elevator positioning and safety.
Load testing verifies elevator performance under operational conditions.
The island integrates navigation, flight control, and command systems.
Island modules are fabricated at Naval Group's Saint-Nazaire facility.
The navigation bridge provides 360-degree operational visibility.
Primary flight control commands all carrier aircraft operations.
The integrated mast carries advanced radar and communication arrays. Exhaust systems integrate infrared signature reduction technology.
The completed island awaits transport to the main assembly dry dock.
The island arrives at Cherbourg for installation on the hull.
A 2,500-ton crane prepares for the island lift.
3 cœurs informatiques garantissent la survie du système en combat.
Les liaisons de données tactiques connectent le Pang aux forces alliées.
La passerelle amirale commande toute la force aéronavale française.
La guerre électronique protège le Pang contre toute menace moderne.
Le CIC du Pange est certifié prêt pour les opérations de combat.
Le radar Sci-Fi représente l'excellence technologique française. La détection infrarouge repère les menaces sans émettre de signal. Le mât intégré combine tous les capteurs en une seule structure. Le sonar de proue détecte les sous-marins ennemis à grande distance.
Les radars de navigation guident chaque appontage sur le Porte-Avions.
Les antennes ESM écoutent toutes les émissions électroniques ennemies. Les communications satellites connectent le Pang au monde entier.
Tous les capteurs du Pang fonctionnent en parfaite harmonie.
Les silos verticaux Silver lanceront nos missiles Aster. Les canons Narwhal défendent le Porte-Avions contre les menaces rapprochées.
Les lanceurs Sadral ajoutent une couche supplémentaire de défense. Le système SLAT protège le Porte-Avions contre les torpilles ennemies.
Les modules lance-missiles s'intègrent dans la structure du Porte-Avions. Ammunition magazines are protected against any catastrophe.
The fire control system coordinates all weapons.
The Pang's weapon systems are certified operational.
Each anchor chain link is forged to hold 75,000 tons.
These 25-ton anchors will secure the Pang anywhere on Earth. The anchor windlass can lift 30 tons of chain per minute.
Chain lockers store over 300 meters of massive anchor chain.
Mooring capstans will secure the Pang in ports around the world.
Every bollard is welded to withstand enormous mooring forces.
Replenishment stations allow refueling and resupply while underway at sea.
All deck machinery systems are tested and certified for fleet operations.
Grid blasting prepares 300 meters of hull for protective coatings.
Anti-corrosion primer will protect this hull for over 30 years.
Anti-fouling coating prevents marine growth and maintains top speed. Le gris marine français confère au Pang son allure fière et distinctive.
Les revêtements spécialisés sur l'îlot réduisent la signature radar du navire.
Non-skid coating ensures safe aircraft and personnel movement in all conditions.
Precision deck markings guide pilots during high-speed catapult launches and landings.
The ship's name and pennant number complete her proud identity.
Final inspection confirms the Pang is ready for her first float.
Keel blocks are removed as the ship prepares to take her own weight.
Atlantic seawater floods the dry dock for the first time.
75,000 tons lift and float for the historic first time.
Draft and stability readings conferred perfect design accuracy.
The caisson gate opens to reveal the Atlantic Ocean beyond.
The Pang emerges from the dry dock into Brest Harbor.
Aircraft elevators cycle between hangar and flight deck for the first time.
Aviation certification officers verify every flight deck system is perfect.
The first aircraft touches down, beginning the Pianguese aviation history.
Rafale fighters make their first approaches to the new flight deck.
First arrested landing, the tailhook catches perfectly at full speed.
First email's launch hurls the Rafale from deck to sky in seconds.
Night operations qualify the PANG for around-the-clock combat aviation.
Multi-aircraft operations demonstrate full combat aviation tempo capability.
Full aviation certification makes the PANG a complete aircraft carrier.
"2,000 French sailors board their new flagship for acceptance trials.
Simulated combat scenarios test every weapon and sensor system.
Extended endurance trials prove unlimited nuclear-powered range capability.
Marine Nationale Admirals Board, PANG, for final acceptance, inspection and certification. Marine Nationale Admirals Board, PANG, for final acceptance, inspection and certification.
Marine Nationale officially accepts Pangang from Naval Group Builders in Brest.
Brest Harbor awakens for France's most significant naval ceremony in decades.
2,000 French sailors man the rails of their new home.
PANG departs Brest for the first time as a commissioned warship.
The first Rafale M thunders off Pyongyang's catapult into operational service.
Han commands France's most powerful naval strike group in modern history.
Built by French hands, Pang sails toward decades of service to France.